Hey guys, I wanted to share a simple tip that you can do in case you're managing properties and need trash hauled. Instead of using the company 1-800-GOT-JUNK, they do a large markup. What you can do is you can simply create a job in the Craigslist section. So you go here to create a posting, and I'll just show you, like, there's a ton of people that are looking for work. So you're going to get a ton of responses. The key thing is setting up that ask such that you are filtering people out. So what you're going to do is you're going to ask them to provide you a set quote, have pictures of the trash itself, and then ask them to provide a set quote, when their availability is, and what their phone number is. I would not share my phone number just because you don't want to get a lot of calls. So you offer a gig here, and then you want to hire someone, and it would be in the labor goods section. So then you create the whole listing, your postal code. You want to anonymize your email address so that people don't directly contact you with the location area, and just give them some pictures of what the work looks like, what needs to be hauled, and then you're just going to get a ton of messages, and you kind of go through and see which ones seem to be reasonable for the trash hauling. And if their availability meets yours, then go ahead and schedule them. So it's just a great way of using Craigslist for that. The other ways you could use Craigslist in a similar way is to see what people are charging for different things. So there's a lot with that. I'll make some more videos about that later, but this is specifically to using Craigslist to get your trash hauled away.